Hello everyone. Today we will learn how to calculate multiplication of two numbers in Python. So we should take a two variable like a is equal to 5 6 and b is equal to, let me take 2 3, and now print a into b and we will get the answer of 1288. Okay, we can also write this as uh, f string, the the product of a and b is a into b. Now we will run this code and we will get the answer like this. The product of 56 and 23 is 1288. So thank you. We will meet you next time.